ultimate toy for clitoral pleasure has finally arrived. It's the Chloe Clit Sucker and Clitoral Vibrator. Two love toy in one sleek package. On one end, you've got a clit sucker that feels just like an oral sex. On the other, the dual-arm vibrator that delivers toe-curling stimulation exactly where you want it. Crafted from silky body-safe silicone and ABS, Chloe is designed to make your self-love sessions unforgettable. She comes with 10 vibration modes and 10 suction programs, so you can mix and match what feels best for you. On one side, enjoy the clit sucker, mimicking the sensations of cunnilingus for an oh-so-real experience. Flip her around and you'll find the dual-arm clitoral vibrator. You can even use those arms on other sensitive spots like your nipples. She's rechargeable with the included USB cable, whisper quiet for discreet play, and waterproof with IPX6 rating. Meaning you can take her to the shower with some steamy fun. Before we jump back in, quick heads up, lovies. If you're wondering where to get Chloe or other toys like her, you don't need to look far. At Lauvette, we've got you covered with same-day delivery in Metro Manila, super discreet packaging, or even gift wrapping if you're planning a cheeky surprise. Plus, you can grab this toy on our website, lauvette.ph, and on our Shopee and Lazada. Links are all in the description box below. Let's get back to the video. Charge the toy fully with the included USB cable and give her a quick clean with mild soap and water or the Lauvette Spray and Play Sex Toy Cleaner. Apply some water-based lube to your clit for comfort. If you're using the clit sucker, place the opening gently against your clitoris and switch on your desired suction mode. For the vibrator side, position your clit between the arms and turn on the vibrations. You can squeeze the arms for extra pressure or even tease other spots. After play, turn her off, wash her again, dry, and store in a clean pouch. The Chloe Clit Sucker and Clitoral Vibrator is perfect for, first on the list, people who wants to save money since this is a 2-in-1 love toy. Second, anyone who wants both sensations and sanctions in one toy. Third, people seekers who love variety and customization. Lastly, those who enjoy discreet, rechargeable, and waterproof toys. She also makes a gorgeous gift for bridal shower, birthday, or simply as a self-love treat. So, are you ready to let Chloe rock your world? All the links are in the description box below. Whether she's for you or a lucky friend, one thing's for sure, she's going to bring endless smiles. Don't forget to subscribe for more toy guides, tips, and unboxings. See you next time, lovies! And remember, with Chloe, you get 2 times pleasure in one toy. Yan lang. Love, love mga lovies. Bye!